안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to Korean Learning Freak. 여러분, 뭐 하고 있어요? 뭐 하고 있었어요? 뭐 하고 있을 거예요? Getting confused. So you're gonna understand these type of sentences by completing this lesson. Let's get started. So we already learned conjugating verbs into present, past, future tenses, right? And we practiced some making sentences with them too. So in this lesson we are gonna learn continuous tense in present, past, future. Continuous tense is I'm working, I'm doing, I'm watching, I'm singing. Basically the ing form in Korean. Okay. Now let's see some examples of continuous progressive tense sentences which are I am watching TV. In past tense it is I was watching TV. In future tense it is I will be watching TV. Here is another example. So let's see the basic construction of these. Before going to the construction of these tense, we are going to have a quick review about the three tenses like present, past, future, how to conjugate them. So here the khada verb becomes khayo in present tense, kasoyo in past tense, kalkoyeyo in future tense. Likewise, nulda, nurayo, norassoyo, nulkoyeyo, mogda, mogoyo, mogossoyo, mogulkoyeyo, puda, phayo, passoyo, pulkoyeyo. So if you didn't get how these tenses came from this verb, you can just go to the previous lessons and review them. So the basic construction is verb stem plus koitta. Here the conjugation is very simple. You can learn it in within seconds if you already learn the present, past, future continuous tenses. So here koitta. We are going to conjugate this itta to the present, past, future continuous tense to make the progressive or continuous tense, right? So for the present continuous tense, it is verb stem plus ko isoyo. For the past continuous tense, it is verb stem plus ko isosoyo. For the future continuous tense, it is verb stem plus ko isil koyeyo. Let's see some examples. Here, irada is to means to work. Irada. The verb stem is ilha. Ira plus go isoyo. Irago isoyo. I'm working. And the past continuous tense is ira plus go isosoyo. Irago isosoyo. I was working. And irha plus ko isil koyeyo. Irago isil koyeyo. I'll be working by that time. Right? I'll be working. So here what you have to remember is ko isoyo, ko isosoyo, ko isil koyeyo. Very simple, right? It's the very simple one in the tenses is the continuous tense. Let's see some another example. Tutta, to listen. Ku isoyo. Tukku is soyo. Actually, in Korean, they don't pronounce in a clear way, so you can always listen this. Tukku is soyo. Tukku is so soyo. Tukku is so soyo. Tukku is silkoyeyo. So I am just giving only two examples here because it's very easy and you can make it like some very easy. And there is something here you have to remember one thing, that is in Koreans just don't use this present continuous tense. Sometimes instead of the present continuous tense they use just present tense. Do you get me? So let's see some example. So here it is a sentence or a situation where present continuous tense is used. 지금 뭐 하고 있어요? What are you doing now? 공부하고 있어요. I'm studying. So instead of saying this, Koreans and like in Korea they just say 지금 뭐해요? 공부해요. This is enough actually. This is also goes. It's not wrong if you say like this. It's not wrong in Korean. Okay. We already let's get more detailed. So the kada is kayo. How it the present tense, how the present tense becomes present continuous tense. Let's see the difference between them so you can remember well. So kayo becomes kago isoyo. What you just did is you just added go isoyo, and for the past tense you added go isosoyo, and for the future tense you added ko isil koyeyo. Okay. So I just gave this table for the reference and you can remember well like this. I'm just gonna read these words. Kayo becomes kagu isoyo. Kasoyo becomes kagu isosoyo. Future tense. Kalkoyeyo becomes kagu isilkoyeyo. So in the present, in the first row, you just conjugated the verb stem ka. But in the continuous tense, whatever may be the verb, you're going to conjugate the itta verb, which is isoyo, isosoyo, isilkoyeyo. Got me? Okay. um, right. I'm am I so far clear? Right. Nulda becomes nurayo, nurasayo, nulkoyeyo. In the continuous tense it is nulku isoyo, nulku isosoyo, nulku isilkoyeyo. And mogda is mokku isoyo, mokku isosoyo, mokku isilkoyeyo. 봐요. 보고 있어요. 보고 있었어요. 보고 있을 거예요. With this, the present, past, future, continuous tenses are cleared, and I know this is very easy. Just make some sample sentences and comment below. Okay. 감사합니다. 여러분, 다음 아름다운 레슨에서 더 봐요. 안녕히 계세요.